How to redeem Disney Plus code. Welcome, and let's get right into this tutorial. In order to do so, you need to open up a browser that you prefer in your mobile device or the device that you prefer. In the browser, in the search bar, start off by searching for disneyplus.com/redeem. After which you'll be led on to the official webpage of Disney Plus where you'll be able to redeem your Disney Plus code. Wait for the page to load up. After which you will see an interface like this. To redeem your code, it is pretty simple. In the given dialog box, just enter the code that you have for your Disney Plus. Once you enter it, select on Redeem. If it is a legitimate Disney Plus code, you will have some of the benefits with it as well. For an example, having a substantial discount in your Disney Plus subscription. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.